is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Abby. I make videos every Tuesday and Friday. This video today is what to do when you're not in a show. I know a lot of people who think they have to be in a show to survive. They're like, what am I if I'm not in a show? Or there are people who can't be in a show because there's no opportunities to do that where they live. Here are some things that you can do to always be improving yourself even when you're not in a show. Work on songs and monologues. You can never have too many songs in your book and you can never have too many monologues memorized. You can do this without a coach. You don't have to have a vocal coach or a monologue coach to be able to work on these things on your own. Listen to musicals, read plays, look up monologues online, and add them to a book. Memorize the songs, work on the songs, memorize the monologues. Having these things on hand to use whenever you need them is very important. Read plays and listen to cast recordings to improve your knowledge. As someone who does theater, you should always be reading up on plays, listening to new cast recordings or even old cast recordings. You can order plays online from Amazon, they're not very expensive, or you can rent them from the library, or you can see what PDFs are online for plays. You can listen to cast recordings on Spotify, on Apple Music, YouTube, research performers, directors, theater companies. Find books to read on acting and singing and theater and anything else in this business that interests you. Go to a drop-in dance class. Where I'm from, I'm very lucky that we have this awesome place where you can go and you can just take drop-in dance classes. They're only like $13. Super awesome place. But some people aren't so lucky. So if you are lucky enough to have a place like that, go take dance class whenever you can. If not, look up videos on YouTube. YouTube is just like incredible. There are so many things you can learn from YouTube. I'm sure there are like dance classes on YouTube that you can take. See other shows. I can't say this enough. It is so important to see shows in your community or on Broadway if you can, but especially in your community. Introduce yourselves to the actors. Introduce yourself to the director. Make connections. That is so important in theater, to make connections. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a comment below and tell me what show you're in right now, what show you're auditioning for soon, or what show you'd ideally like to be in right now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Bye guys, see you next time.